Hi you two, hope you all had a great week so far. Today for your learning you have reading, writing, numeracy and PE. For reading today you continue to learn about the OO sound, but don't get tricked, there's more than one way to represent the OO sound. It can be OO, like in the word hoop. H-O-O-P, hoop. It can be UI, like in the word suit. S-U-T, suit. Or it can be EW, like in the word grew. Grew, grew. Once you've finished your reading, you might even want to jump onto our Year 2 page and listen to a story being read by one of the educators. You might enjoy your fruit like we do at school. Oh, did you notice the two words that I just said with the oo sound in them? There was fruit and school. Oo and oo. After reading, you have writing where you need to correct the mistakes that the educators have written in their sentences. I wonder if you can add in capital letters, full stops, and commas where they need to be. After writing, you have numeracy where you focus on division. A good way to remember division is shared between. For example, 10 shared between 2 equals 5. So it's written like this: 10 shared between or divided by 5 equals 2. You'll also learn about the relationship between multiplication and division. So we know that 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So if we turn the numbers around now, we can see 5 times 2 equals 10. Finally, to finish the day, you'll have physical activity where you get to go for a bike ride or a scoot. Have a lovely day, you two. Bye.